You're talented, but tired. You're trading more hours for the same results. You're working harder every month, but your income never seems to grow. The clients change, the deadlines don't, and you keep asking yourself,
there has to be a smarter way.
what if the problem isn't your effort, but your system? This is where everything changes. One framework, 4 steps, role, task, context, output. The same structure that turned chaos into clarity and effort into 10,000 pounds months.
There has to be a smarter way. I made £8,000 in 27 days, and I finally slept.
$0 to 10,000 plus in 30 days is more than a book. It's a proven 30-day system. A proven 30-day roadmap that turns your skill into income and your time into freedom. Built for freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs who refuse to stay stuck. The next success story could be yours. Your 30-day transformation starts now. No more time to waste. Get your copy of 0 to 10,000 plus in 30 days on Amazon or Bookuh.com today. Freedom isn't a dream, it's a system.